Hey you, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny from Owls Indigo and I make videos about journaling and goal setting. Today it's time for the private monthly shadow work journaling prompt. These shadow work journaling prompts are designed to trigger emotions, memories, or experiences that are still unconsciously or consciously affecting your day. Today we're going to be talking about how to let go to find a new perspective. This journaling prompt is inspired by the Hanged Man and the Deer tarot cards from the Wild Unknown Spirit Animal deck and regular tarot deck by Kim Crans, which you can find linked down below. If you like thought-provoking journaling prompts, then check out my journaling prompt book, A Year of Spiritual Growth and Mindful Goal Setting. 365 mindfulness journal prompts. It includes 365 daily prompts, morning and evening reflections, quarterly reviews, a mid-year check-in, an end-of-the-year review, and a simple visualization to help you see what your goals will look like once you've accomplished them. The link is in the description. There are times in life when we have to let go of our well-intentioned preconceived notions and trust that it's for the best. This also applies to goals that you've struggled to accomplish in the past. Instead of continuing to struggle through it, it might be time to let go and move on to something that's more achievable, like a SMART goal. If you'd like to know more about how to set a SMART goal or what a SMART goal is, check out my article linked down below. There's also a free companion worksheet for this article. This worksheet is going to help you set your goals and actually walk through the process to make sure that they are SMART goals that you can achieve. Make sure your goal is realistic and smart. Then, with gentleness and compassion, purposefully look at your goal or what you want to achieve from a completely different perspective. How would you accomplish this if you weren't you? How would your enemy or your frenemy accomplish this goal? Open your mind and be receptive to learning from this new perspective. What have you been failing to accomplish over and over again in life, and why? How would your frenemy accomplish this goal? How can you open your mind to this new perspective and take action while remaining fully present and compassionate with yourself? In these journal prompt videos, I like to share with you my answer to the exact same journaling prompt. That way, if you feel a little stuck or you're not sure where to start with the journaling prompt, you've got someone else who's gone through it with you and will give you some ideas. So let's go ahead and get into my journal and find out what my answer to this month's prompt was. I have been consistently failing to lose weight each year. Thankfully, I'm not gaining and have maintained a consistent weight for the past few years. The reason I'm not giving up on this one just yet and letting go is for my long-term health. The reason I keep failing is because I can't keep going past 2 weeks and lose motivation or think something else like work is more important. These are excuses. I deserve the time and care that I want to put into my body. My frenemy would successfully lose weight by prioritizing their long-term health every day. My frenemy would also not be watching as much TV because they would be spending the equivalent time exercising and preparing meals from scratch and making prepped grab-and-go meals. My frenemy would also be a strict vegetarian, have swapped junk food for nuts and fruit, and at night my frenemy would be eating at the table with music on and prioritize a self-care evening routine that includes going to bed on time so that my frenemy could wake up early and start work on time so they don't end up working late and completely shoot the night. My frenemy would take a short break when their motivation starts to wane, but never take more than 1 day off from exercising because it's a lifestyle that supports their long-term health. My frenemy might fast and would know how many calories their exercise moved. To sum up, my frenemy would have a sustainable long-term exercise plan that supports their long-term health. I can and will open my mind to this new long-term perspective by reminding myself that what my enemy wants is what I want because we happen to want the same long-term health. I will take action and remain fully present in my desire for long-term health by having a variety of quick workouts that I like and can do in 15 minutes. I will be compassionate with myself by focusing on what I can do instead of what I can't or feeling guilty for what I have not done. I will truly understand and accept that 2 steps forward, 1 step back is still 1 step forward. Losing weight for my long-term health requires commitment, discipline, hard work, and dedication, which are all qualities that I already possess in other areas of life and know how to apply them. So what's your answer to this month's prompt? Make sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share this video to grow the Owls and Indigo tribe. I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!